I'm home.
Welcome back. But you don't look very happy. Is everything all right?
Honestly, today was one of the longest days I've had in a while.
What happened?
My car wouldn't start after work.
Oh no. Did you call a mechanic?
No, it was getting late, so I decided to go home first and deal with it tomorrow.
So, how did you get home?
I was about to book a taxi when I saw a bus that was almost empty.
That sounds like good luck.
That's what I thought for about 5 minutes.
What changed?
At the next stop, a lot of people got on. Then at the following stop, even more people boarded.
So the bus became crowded?
Crowded? It felt like the whole city decided to ride the same bus.
That bad?
Worse. At first, I had a comfortable seat by the window.
At least you were sitting.
Not for long. An elderly woman got on, so I gave her my seat.
That was very kind of you.
It was the right thing to do.
Then what happened?
I had to stand for the rest of the journey.
That doesn't sound too bad.
I wish that was the worst part.
Oh? What else happened?
The bus became so crowded that people were standing shoulder to shoulder.
That must have been uncomfortable.
Very uncomfortable. One man's backpack kept hitting my arm every time the bus stopped.
Ouch.
And someone accidentally stepped on my foot twice.
Did they at least apologize?
Yes, but my foot still hurts.
Anything else?
Unfortunately, yes.
I'm almost afraid to ask.
The people standing next to me had obviously been working all day. Their clothes smelled really bad.
Oh, no.
I spent half the trip trying not to breathe too deeply.
Poor you.
Then, just when I thought it couldn't get any worse, the bus stopped at almost every bus stop.
So, the journey took much longer than usual?
Exactly. A trip that normally takes 20 minutes took nearly an hour.
No wonder you look exhausted.
I definitely learned one thing today.
What's that?
I should never complain about driving my own car again.
I guess you'll be calling the mechanic first thing tomorrow.
Absolutely. After today's adventure, fixing my car is my top priority. Adventure means an unusual or exciting experience.
Well, go take a shower, and I'll make you a nice cup of tea.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I think I deserve it after surviving that bus ride.
I think you've earned 2 cups. Take the quiz on screen, select the correct option, and drop your answer in the comments below. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.